Hello everyone, welcome to Sacer Studio. This is Joker greeting.
Hello friends, this is Victoria.
What will be our topic today?
Our topic today is what you are quite familiar with. It is the 300, 400, 500 VGT actuator parts.
In the previous video, did you have talked about these parts?
Yes, before we have talked about all the rebuild kits for the the VGT actuators. But today we will share with our clients how we provide the customized service for these parts.
Please present details.
Yes, I take the HV400, 500 for example. We sell all the gasket, socket, and the pin together. But some clients told us that they only need this part for socket and pin. So we will do in that way, and we can also sell these two parts like gasket and ties together.
Okay, do we have MOQ on these parts?
Yes, MOQ for these parts are normally 10 pieces or 100 pieces, according to the material producing cost.
And what about the rubber sealing keys?
Oh yes, this is quite clear. You see here we have 3 sealings, and for example, some customers may only need this one for the motor and the gearbox, and we can serve. The MOQ will not only be 10 pieces.
Okay, everyone. Now is the coupon code time. For the coming Christmas, we have this discounts for orders. $10 off for orders over $300. $13 off for orders over $500.
And yes, please contact our sales representative to get a code. Our special offer on shop will begin from December 1st.
Okay, let's back to the actuator parts. What's the next one?
Okay, next one will be the HV300 actuator parts. I will start from this one. This is the bearing gasket for the HV300 actuators, and we have totally 3 types of screws for this actuator. This one for the motor, this one for the PCBA, and this one for our outer cover.
I see they are totally different from HV400 to 500 series actuator parts.
Yes, quite different. But you can also find some very similar ones. For example, these rubber sealings. We have 3 sealings here, and we can also sell only one of them to include is that we actually sell the HV300 actuator parts in a different way.
Okay, what would be that way?
Instead of we decide directly what we sell to customers, we would like to hear from how the customers expect to buy from us. For example, if they only want to buy the screws, 3 screws for the motor, we will sell only the motor, or if they want the PCBA with gears, we can sell in that way as a whole.
Oh, I think they are good ideas, and I hope this new list can be a better solution for our partners.
Yes, we always think for our partners.
So today we finished our studio, and thanks for your watching. We will see you next time.
See you, friends.
See you.